Hey everyone, Dev here. If you're not using this AI tool yet, you're missing out on one of the easiest ways to make money online from home in 2024. In this video, I'll show you how to use this secret AI tool to make up to $900 every day from the comfort of your home. First, let me clarify that this strategy doesn't require you to have followers on social media. No need for paid ads. No website required, and best of all, no significant investments needed. This tool is also listed on a platform I mentioned before called GetRewardful. As you can see, I've made a lot of money here. I have $1,000 unpaid, $266 pending, and have earned $8,600 using this platform, which has several affiliate programs, including the secret platform I'll show you today. All the links will be in the free text guide in the description, including the link to the secret platform you'll see today. In this video, I'll show you 5 methods to make money online in 2024 using Rask AI. The first method is translating other people's video audio. You might wonder how translating video audio works. Let's look at Mr. Beast's channel. Notice if you click on settings, you can change the soundtrack. Initially, he speaks English. Switching the soundtrack, he speaks in a different language, like Portuguese. Rask AI does this by translating the video audio while keeping the same background music and effects. If Mr. Beast only made videos in English, he'd only appeal to English speakers. By translating his videos into multiple languages, he reaches a global audience and earns more views and money. PewDiePie also uses this feature, but since it's not available on all YouTube channels, most people create separate channels for different languages. For example, PewDiePie has a Spanish channel, reaching a Spanish audience without additional work. This is the second method, using Rask AI to translate your videos and generate new audiences. The third method is creating a faceless YouTube channel using Rask AI to translate for you. You can post videos in your own language and translate them into English, allowing you to make money from YouTube and affiliate links. For example, if you have affiliate offers in the US, you can partner with Spanish companies for your Spanish channel, increasing your income. You can offer this translation service to other YouTubers, create a faceless channel, or promote affiliate products from other countries. Sign up for Rask AI, log in, upload your video or audio, and Rask AI will do the rest with one click. Before we proceed to step 2, leave a comment if you've seen YouTubers using this strategy of translating their videos into different languages. The second method to make money with Rask AI is through affiliate marketing. First, go to the Rask AI homepage, scroll to the bottom, and click on Affiliate Program. Click on Become an Affiliate, and register for free. Fill out your information, and you'll earn 20% commission for the first 3 payments of each customer you refer. You might wonder how to get people to sign up with your affiliate link. Go to YouTube. Reach out to YouTubers, big and small, because they all need this tool. On their channel, click the arrow on the right to see their business email for inquiries. Use this email to reach out and offer your affiliate link. Use the template I'll give you to offer your affiliate link to YouTubers. This method works when you want them to translate their own videos instead of doing it yourself. Here's the template. Hi, creator's name. I hope this email finds you well. My name is your name. Warm regards, your name. Include your affiliate link where it says, by clicking here, or please click here to get started. By using this method, you'll earn a 20% commission for the first 3 months of each customer. Subscribe to this channel for more videos on making money online. Method number 3 to make money with Rask AI is creating one-click articles using AI and promoting your affiliate link. Go to SEO Writing AI and click on One-Click Blog Post. Create an article, for example, How to Grow a Brand by Dubbing Content into Different Languages. Select your audience, tone of voice, and article size, then click Run to generate your blog post. Post the article on Medium to drive traffic to your affiliate link and start making money. For a full guide, watch my other video linked in the description. Method number 4 is monetizing a YouTube channel using AI and affiliate marketing. Use ChatGPT and InVideo AI for this method. Tell ChatGPT about Rask AI and ask it to create an outline for a video. Copy the outline into InVideo AI to generate the video. This method allows you to earn affiliate commissions, sell products, and earn AdSense revenue. The fifth and easiest method to make money with Rask AI is by offering your services as a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Search for video dubbing on Fiverr and see how much people are charging. List your services and use Rask AI to dub the voice, charging similar rates. On Upwork, freelancers charge $50 an hour or more and make significant income from video dubbing services. You can drop service by listing your services, using Rask AI for the work, and delivering to the customer. Charge $50 an hour, work 4 hours a day using Rask AI, and make $200 a day. Double that for $400 a day with minimal effort. For more guides on registering for Upwork and publishing articles on Medium, click the video linked here. Work hard, play harder.